Hi friends, this is Amit here. I'm the founder of MelodyMedia. Today we just want to talk about one of our hot selling products on Amazon. It's one of our pocket radios and it's really popular right now. So the product name is called Walkie and it's, as I mentioned, it's a pocket size radio. I'll just show you first aesthetically how it looks and how it feels. So the product comes in two colors. So I'll just one by one unwrap and show you the model and the colors. It's a beautiful product. As you can see, it's easily fitting in my hand, and the bordering is golden here, which is probably gives it a very rich aesthetic feel, and though it's priced at about 1090 on Amazon, but the product feel is very rich. It comes with a hand string. I'll also at the same time just show you the other color. Here is the other color, which is cream off-white, and again looks beautiful, and the grace with the golden border on it really lifts the aesthetic look of the product. I get a lot of communication with my buyers who often communicate with me on our company's WhatsApp, where they mention about they want to know how to use the FM part of it. Since it's an FM radio and that's the main feature, let's straight away dive into it. And it's a very simple thing. We'll just follow some basic cues which will help you to navigate and do the FM scanning. So here when we switched on, it shows blue. Blue is nothing but Bluetooth. What we will do here is press the M button. The M is the mode button. It allows you to switch over from FM to Bluetooth. And if you have a USB or a TF card inserted for music playback, then that is again going to be displayed here. So right now we will press the M button to switch to FM. Like you can see now, it's displaying FM and 87.5. So we will do a quick scan here. Before we do the scan, let's open the antenna fully so that the FM reception is loud and clear. So we open the antenna fully. Now, very importantly, I'll just reduce the volume through the volume knob, which is again very nice placed, very easy to use. So we will just reduce the volume. Now, how do we scan to get all the channels? So there are three buttons on the right side of the display. The top button is the next, and the down button is the previous, and the center button is the play pause. So what we will do is we will hold the play pause button for 3 seconds. This will scan all the channels available in your area. So that's the easiest way to scan it. Let's just do it for once. So I did that and I released it, and now it's auto scanning. It's gradually going to pick up stations. I'll just increase the volume so you get some idea. It's picking up the stations and it's saving them. So it's also saving them. You can see P04, P05. So I was mentioning about the scanning, and it's completed the scanning now. All the stations are saved now. Auto scan, by which we press the play pause button and it auto scanned. Now we will press the next button here, and you will see that it is so this is the previous button actually. So the next button is here. So you can see the first channel, the second channel 91.9 saved at number 2, 92.7 saved at number 3. Similarly 93.5 saved at 4. So I can directly also press the number key. So it shows 94.3 at number 5. So these have auto saved now. There's another way to direct station scan. That is the very nice way, where sometimes while auto scanning there are channels that may get missed in auto scan because of the sensitivity. What we should do here is, but we can directly take the station number and put it in the number key. The only thing is you cannot save that number, but you can still go directly. Supposing you just don't remember the number keys where it is saved, and you directly want to access a particular station. I want to listen to 91.9. So what I do here is, this is something to just see. it's a little with the fast fingers, so you have to press 9190, and now you will see it has gone directly to, sorry, so I'll just redo it. It's 919 since it's 3. So supposingly I want to hear the station number 94.3. It's currently at 91.9 and I don't remember with where it got saved or whether it was saved or no. So I can directly with little fast fingers by pressing 943. Now it will directly go to 94.3. So even if the station is not scanned and has been missed in scanning, you can access it, but you cannot save it. So it is there, but you cannot save it. So it's not saved and assigned to any number key. So this is the way. So this is the FM station scanning that we mentioned. A few precautions, and few times people even come back to us saying that we are not getting good reception. In scenarios like this, we need to be a little, we need to take some precaution in our homes, because today it's all automations everywhere. So our homes are completely with LED lights and a lot of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth disturbances. We advise our customers that if you're not getting stations or scanning properly, to turn off the LED lights very importantly, and if still it's not getting station scanned, then I would even advise to turn off the Wi-Fi Bluetooth for some time and try to re-scan it again. So this comes for the FM thing. Now coming to the other features of the radio, it has some amazing and very simple and very easy to use features, like we had mentioned for Bluetooth. So it has Bluetooth feature, so I can pair with my mobile. So on the mobile, if I search and it's searching, so it will just display the name here on my mobile. It will display Pagaria Walkie. So I will select this, and once it's selected, you can see that the light which was blinking on here has stopped. Now I can simply play any music which I would want to hear from my mobile. So this is the Bluetooth feature. Similarly, we have another feature which is the playback from USB. So USB is also very simple. We will just connect a 32 GB pen drive and we'll connect it on the USB port. The moment we connect it, it reads as USB and it starts playing. So now coming to the USB, it has a very useful feature, which is that playing all songs, random songs, repeat song. So currently it is at all. So it will play one song after the other. If I play the next song, so it will go to number 2 track and it's playing the number 2 track. But if I just put it here, which is showing 1 here, so now this song, once it's completed, it will repeat the same number. And similarly, if I again press it, so now it's again back to all. So you have the option of either playing one after the other or repeating the same song. So this is one of the other features which this little pocket dynamite has. So similarly, as we are playing from the USB, you also have the option to play from TF card, which is the small memory card here. And another feature that I would like to show here is that you can connect earphones to this radio. And when you're going for a walk, in the evening walk or a morning walk, you can use it with a earphone. The earphones don't come in the package. They are not part of the package. This is just for representation purpose that I'm showing it to you. So I'll just show that it's connected and I can listen to the same on my ears, in my ears. So yeah, so now I can easily listen to the radio in my own privacy. I don't need the sound to come out. and the radio is now being played through the earphones. So these are the features, and the radio comes with a rechargeable battery. I'll just show you the rechargeable battery. So this is a rechargeable battery that comes along with the radio. We advise few things here. We advise that you should not be using any fast charger and charge the radio either using a 5 volt 1 ampere or maximum 2 ampere power adapter. If you don't have a 5 volt USB adapter, you can even charge it by connecting the type C cable which comes in the package. So this is the cable that comes in the package. So the type C port connects here, and the USB, you can, this part of the USB, either you can connect to a power adapter which is 5 volt 1 ampere or 2 ampere, or you can connect this to a laptop's USB port here, or probably a television's USB port. So these are the options. I'll just also mention that we do have one power adapter, but that does not come in the package, and I'll just show you that this is what we advise, that you should be using a power adapter which is mentioned here, DC 5 volt 1 amp. By using this charger, the radio will charge properly, and you need to give 3 to 4 hours of charging time. So these are the few features and few product highlights about this radio, which is one of the hot selling radios on Amazon. It even at times becomes the #1 selling radios. So do have a look at it, and any thing that you would want to know about more about the product, you can connect with us on our WhatsApp or on our support email ID. Thank you.